Imagine a creature that can jump 20 times its own height. That's like you jumping over a house. These amazing animals are frogs, and they're found all over the world. From the rainforests of the Amazon to the deserts of Australia, frogs have adapted to live in all sorts of environments. Frogs are amphibians, which means they live part of their lives in water and part on land. They are cold-blooded, which means they rely on their surroundings to regulate their body temperature. This is why you might see frogs basking in the sun on a cool day. Frogs are fascinating creatures with a unique life cycle and an important role to play in their ecosystems. So, let's dive into the amazing world of frogs and discover what makes them so special. There are over 7,000 species of frogs, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. Some frogs are tiny, like the Pediphrine amoensis, which is smaller than a fingernail. Others, like the Goliath frog, can grow to be over a foot long. Frogs come in all sorts of colors too. The poison dart frog, for example, is brightly colored to warn predators of its toxicity. Some frogs, like the glass frog, have translucent skin, allowing you to see their internal organs. From the rainforests of South America to the deserts of Africa, frogs have adapted to live in almost every habitat on Earth. They play a vital role in their ecosystems, both as predator and prey. One of the most striking things about frogs is their incredible variety of colors. From the vibrant greens of tree frogs to the earthy browns of toads, frogs come in every color of the rainbow. But these colors aren't just for show, they serve important purposes. Bright colors, like the reds and yellows of the poison dart frog, are often a warning to predators. These frogs secrete toxins through their skin, and their bright colors signal to predators that they are dangerous to eat. Camouflage is another important use of color for frogs. Some frogs, like the gray tree frog, can change their skin color to blend in with their surroundings. This helps them avoid predators and sneak up on their prey. Frogs are known for their distinctive calls, which they use for a variety of purposes. Male frogs use their croaks to attract females, while females use calls to signal their receptivity. Frogs also use calls to defend their territory and warn others of danger. The sound of a frog's croak is produced by air passing over the vocal cords in the larynx. The larynx is located in the throat, and frogs can inflate their vocal sacs, located under their chin or on the sides of their head, to amplify their calls. The pitch and frequency of a frog's croak can vary depending on the species, the size of the frog, and the temperature. Some frogs have very loud calls that can be heard from miles away, while others have quieter calls that are only audible at close range. Frogs are amphibians, which means they live part of their lives in water and part on land. This dual lifestyle is reflected in their life cycle, which begins with eggs laid in water. The eggs hatch into tadpoles, which are aquatic creatures with gills and tails. Tadpoles breathe underwater and feed on algae and other small organisms. As they grow, tadpoles undergo metamorphosis, a process of dramatic physical transformation. During metamorphosis, tadpoles develop legs, lose their tails, and their gills are replaced by lungs. This transformation allows them to leave the water and live on land as adult frogs. Despite their small size, frogs play a vital role in their ecosystems. As predators, they help to control populations of insects, which can be beneficial to humans by reducing pests that damage crops or spread diseases. As prey, frogs are an important food source for a variety of animals, including snakes, birds, and fish. Their presence or absence can be an indicator of the overall health of an ecosystem. Frogs are also important bioindicators, meaning they are sensitive to changes in their environment. Pollution, habitat loss, and climate change can all have significant impacts on frog populations. Frogs are fascinating creatures that play a vital role in the natural world. Their unique life cycle, incredible adaptations, and importance to their ecosystems make them a valuable and intriguing part of our planet. So, the next time you see a frog, take a moment to appreciate these amazing amphibians. Their future depends on our understanding and conservation efforts. Did you learn something new about these amazing amphibians? If so, give this a like and subscribe for more incredible animal facts and adventures with yours truly.